In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use @mentions in Microsoft Teams to ensure your messages gain the right attention. Whether you're working within a bustling organization or collaborating on a small team project, knowing how to use @mentions can help streamline communication and keep everyone aligned. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to go to teams.microsoft.com. This is the web portal for Microsoft Teams, and it's accessible from any browser. If you haven't already logged in, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Microsoft account. This ensures that all your chats and team communications are synchronized across your devices. If you don't have an account set up yet, you'll want to pause and create one before proceeding, as you'll need access to explore this tool. Once you've successfully signed in, it's time to navigate to where you want to initiate a conversation. To do this, you can either click on Chat for direct messages or head over to any team channel where group communication happens. Channels are set up within Teams to facilitate discussions around specific projects or topics, making them an ideal place to interact with your colleagues. Choosing the right venue for your message ensures that you're reaching your intended audience effectively. Now, here's where the magic of @mentions comes into play. In the message box, you'll want to type the @ symbol followed by the individual's name. For example, if you're trying to get John Doe's attention, you will type @John Doe. As you start typing, don't be surprised if you see a list of suggestions appear. This is Microsoft Teams trying to help you find the right contact quickly and efficiently. Simply click on the correct name from these suggestions. This selection automatically highlights their name in the message and notifies them directly, drawing their attention amidst potentially overwhelming communication streams. After selecting their name, it's time to craft the rest of your message. Remember, being clear and concise helps in conveying your point promptly, but don't shy away from adding sufficient details if the situation demands. Once your message is complete, go ahead and click Send. This action delivers your well-crafted note and ensures it flags the intended recipients appropriately so they know it's meant for them. Mastering the functionality of @mentions within Microsoft Teams is a small but impactful way to boost communication efficiency. It not only highlights your message to specific teammates, but helps foster an environment where clarity and direction in communication are prioritized. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this overview helpful in enhancing your team's experience.